Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete videos in Veed IO from your team trash. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed IO website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From recent videos section, you can see all your draft videos. From there, hover your mouse to the video that you want to delete and click to the three-dot button. There you can see Move to Team Traps option. Click on it, then it will be moved to your Team Trash. From the left side of your menu bar, you can see Team Trash option. Click on it, then you can see your video. From there, hover your mouse to the video and click to three-dot button. Then click to delete permanently. This is how you can restore or delete your videos from Team Trash. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.